Lesson number 8 is articles, the determiners. Articles are placed before words. A and the are called articles or determiners. A and an are called indefinite articles, and the is called definite articles. Write the names of the things shown in the picture below. Okay. So the words a and the, these are the determiners, and rest the words a, e, I, o and u are the vowels, and the rest of the 21 alphabetical letters are called consonants. Okay, so in the first activity we have to write the names of given pictures: egg, an egg, igloo, an igloo, an owl, an elephant. We have used an before these words because they are starting with E, I, O, E. Okay, the words starting with A, E, I, O and U. Before these words we use an. Okay. Now in this activity again we have to write the name of these pictures: a bat, a ball, a fan, a cat, a parrot. We have written a because these words are first of all singular. Okay, they are in singular form. Singular form means when we are talking about only one thing. Okay, so they are in singular form, and also they are starting with the consonant b, b, f, c, p. They are starting with the consonant, and also they are in singular form. That's why we are using a with them. Article a is used with the words in singular form that start with consonants like b, c, d, f and so on up to z. Okay, articles a and an are indefinite articles. Okay, now in this activity on page number 75 we have to fill in the blanks with a or an. Mohan lives in a hut. Ajay ate an egg and a slice of bread for breakfast. Rekha is a graceful dancer. My uncle gave me an ice cream. I bought a pink dress from the market. It takes an hour to reach the school. We went for a picnic last Sunday. We saw an aeroplane flying above the house. So in this activity we have used an before the words which are starting with vowels a, e, I, o and u, and we have used a for the words which are in singular form and which are also starting with the consonants. Okay, now coming to the article the is called definite article. Okay, now coming to the usage of definite article the. When do we use the? When we refer to a particular person, object. Okay, when we talk of an object which is only one of its kind in the world. Okay, first one is when we refer to a particular person or object. Okay, when we are talking about any particular person or an object, we use the. When we talk of an object which is only one of its kind in the world. Okay, the sun, the moon, the stars, the sky, the land, the directions, the planets, etc. All these things are one of their kind in the whole world. That's why we are using the with them. Before the names of sea, oceans, river, mountain ranges, etc. We use the Himalayas, the Lakshadweep Islands, the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, with the names of famous places. Before the names of holy books and epics, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, the Mahabharata, etc. Okay, before adjectives in the superlative degree like longest, largest, best, etc. Before names of musical instruments, names of dances, famous personalities, etc. The Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma plays the santoor, while Ustad Amjad Ali Khan plays the sarod. The Bharatnatyam, the Kathak and the Odissi are some classical dance forms of India. So these are the various things with which we use the.